Common phrasal verbs used for shopping. Pick out. Meaning to choose or select something from a group. She picked out a beautiful dress for the party. I need your help to pick out a gift for my sister. Try on. Meaning to put on clothes or accessories to see if they fit or look good. I tried on several pairs of shoes before finding the right one. She's trying on different dresses for the wedding. Check out. To go to the cash register to pay for items. Also used to explore or examine something. Let's check out and head home. I want to check out that new store downtown. Shopping around. To compare prices or goods at different stores before making a purchase. I'm going to shop around for the best deal on a new phone. It's good to shop around before buying expensive items. Stock up on. To buy a large quantity of something to ensure you have enough in the future. We need to stock up on groceries before the weekend. Let's stock up on sunscreen for our vacation. Run out of. To use or sell all of something so that there is none left. I ran out of milk, so I need to buy more. Don't forget to buy bread. We're running outside. Splash out. To spend a lot of money on something, usually as a treat or for something special. I decided to splash out on a fancy dinner to celebrate. She splashed out on a luxurious handbag. Cash in on. To take advantage of an opportunity, especially for financial gain. Companies often try to cash in on popular trends. He's hoping to cash in on his skills by starting his own business. Hold off. To delay doing something, especially a purchase, until later. Let's hold off on buying the TV until it goes on sale. I'll hold off on purchasing the tickets until the prices drop. Pay off. To result in success or a beneficial outcome, often after effort or investment. His hard work paid off when he found the perfect gift. The time and effort she invested in researching the product paid off in the end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.